So this is my Prezi on Audacity. There's just a picture of what it would look like on a Mac. What is Audacity? It's a free, easy-to-use, multitask audio editor and recorder for Windows, Mac, GNU, Linux, or other operating systems, and the interface is translated into many different languages, so it doesn't matter what country you're in, it can probably find the language for you. System requirements: all you need is a computer with an operating system that works with Audacity, such as Windows or Mac. You just have to follow the steps to download it, and you should be set. How you get Audacity? You go to this link right here, and there's a box, and it will prompt you to download it for the correct type of computer you have. And it's free, so it doesn't cost anything, which is a plus for college students. The pros, like I said earlier, is that it's a free download. It adds music, sound effects on different tracks. Easy editing, cut, paste, and copy. It adjusts volumes of tracks. Easy upload to hosting sites, and it has student engagement. There's only 2 cons. Download from the internet requires an additional download to create an MP3, and sometimes it requires a podcast hosting site. Experience. This tool is very easy to navigate and user-friendly. Very low-key technical-wise, but the only downside is that it crashes every once in a while. Here's a video.
Hello, I just want to give an intro to show you how Audacity here is going to be used. I'm going to take some sound files, these 6 I've got 6 right now because I've downloaded 1 extra. I want to show you the download process here for getting something off Freesound. I've got a sound, and I hope that came clear over my microphone. I'm going to just hit the download button, and I'm going to just tell it to save the file. And it's going to grab it onto the desktop, and it's going to put the 2 in parentheses after it. Doesn't really matter, I've already got it downloaded. But you'll notice that I do have some QuickTime files here, and I also have some normal Windows media players. It's pretty easy to get stuff into Audacity. I've got Audacity open, I've started a project here, I've got 5 sounds in it, and I've got them labeled. I've got footsteps, the glass, a clacking noise, a guitar noise, drums. And now I'm just going to grab this file and drag it into Audacity, let go, and you'll see 6 tracks will be made for my startup sound. And I'm going to just go ahead and name this Spin Up. That's the startup sound as well. And I can see it right here. Here's the waveform. This is actually what we're editing. What I'm going to do is just highlight the end of this and go ahead and do a fade out. This is something subtle on it, so it's going to quiet itself down. One of the things that you can also try doing is normalizing things or amplifying things. That should help you out a little bit with getting things to sound like they're from the same place. Now I've gone ahead and thought a little bit about what I'm doing, and I've got some footsteps coming in at the end of this music. I've got some a weird glass sound over the top of it in the middle. I've got a clacking noise that's going to be kind of distressing, some guitar playing, a drum beat that's really kind of strange, and then my startup sound. So you can see this stuff doesn't have to make much sense with each other, but you can go ahead and tell a story, you can make a piece of music, and you can just throw random stuff together. The easiest way to get this project done is to pick 6 sounds that in some way you want to put together, then to go ahead, throw them into Audacity, edit them, cut and paste, copy and paste. You can do all of that stuff. I'm not looking for a lot of technical requirements, except for 6 sounds and a minute long. What I want is for you to explore it. If this stuff really is meaningful to you, go ahead and have fun. Let me go ahead and play back what I have. out at the end, so it makes a nice clean ending. You can make this stuff really complex. I'm going to go ahead and close it and make sure to save. And I've got my two files here that make up my project, the Dan Project 3, which is the Audacity file, and then this file here, which has all my data inside of it. You can go ahead and work on this. This is 6 audio files. I just got them off Freesound. If you want to go down to the public library and grab BBC Sound Effects Library, that's fine. But email me if you have any more questions. And Audacity's pretty simple to use. Just make sure to back up everything. I'm talking fast because I want to make sure this goes up on YouTube.
Just like he said, it's very easy to use. And then these are my citations, and this is another website under the more helpful links of more tutorials on like more specific things that you can do with Audacity. So